I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whispers for Tuesday, March 23rd. Guess what? Yeah, 3 massive dark pool levels are here on the SPY. We just got another biggie, 389.81. We had 390.05 and we had 397.13. Now we're only below one of them so far. All right, but we're very close to these two, 390 and 389. If we close below all three, you want to put protection on. Okay, that's how close we are. That is massive. Okay, so we have big things happening today. Powell. We got Yellen testimonies. We got Kaplan talking up a storm, saying he's, I don't know, they're going to raise rates next. What was that? Where was that news? Somewhere in here. He's going to, yeah, right here. Here, talking all morning. Something about raising rates next year. I don't know about that. But yeah, lots of stuff happening right now. So the most important thing is the dark pool. That tells us everything. So for the day trade, bullish above 392.50, bear below 389.50. However, if we close below all those dark pool levels, you definitely want to put protection on. Okay, that's going to be very bearish. All right, let's go to the Russell. Because guess what? Massive dark pool prints on the Russell as well. 3 big ones. Okay. We got 225.40, 230.55, and 232.25. And guess what? We're below all 3. So that is bearish. Yeah, we are bearish right now on the Russell, especially if we stay below. Looks like we'll most likely come down to this 50 simple moving average, and then we most likely will bounce. All right, but and the second test, if we don't hold it, that's when things get ugly. So that's what we're looking at right now for the day trade. Bullish above 223.52, bear below 221.80 for the Russell. Okay, we might just retrace first to that peanut butter jelly, but you know, watch those dark pool levels. So the Q is a little bit different story here. We already had our correction on the Qs back here. It's so interesting, right? Qs really crashed down. Then we got some other heavier dark pool activity. It is in an interesting spot right now. Yeah, is it going to push above or are we going to come crashing down here? So a little bit different. Bullish above 318.50. We've already gone above that. I sent this out early because I had a feeling we're going to have some movers. We hit the first target, 396.16. 396.12 is our first target. So I would watch 319.20 or actually 319, yeah, 319.25 area to go long again for the next entry. Bear below 317. All right, that's a little bit down here. If we do go below that, look out below because this is a really key trend line. So important. We could up thrust today. They might push it up and then at the end of the day, pull it down. So really watch that carefully. We'll see. Perhaps money flow will go into tech and out of the oil and banks, and we'll see. All right, let's go to the E-minis quickly. E-minis bullish above 39.30, bear below 39.0750. We're in between that. Lots of overhead resistance right there. Let's go to the NASDAQ futures. NASDAQ futures bullish above 13,100. Bear below 12,950. Oil. We are rocking it on the oil shorts. Yeah, we had those big prints. Knew a big move was coming, and we finally went below this 50 simple moving average. This is big. We went down. Of course, we did a retracement. Now we're going down further. We could go all the way here. All right, so looks kind of like a dreaded H, right? Guys know the dreaded H. That's a dreaded H pattern. Okay, so bullish above 60.50, bear below 59. Watch that. I have some individual oil names coming up in a bit, but gold futures, now this could move with the testimonies today. Got a little bit of a wedge going. So interesting. Remember last time Jerome spoke, we went up in gold, so we'll see what he says. We will be bullish above 1742.50 and bear below 1732. Bitcoin also went up last time he spoke as well. We'll see if that happens again. Yep, bullish above. We did come down and we hit the 30 simple moving average, so we bounced up. But now we're kind of stuck on these Bitcoin futures in between, right? So if we do go above here, up, and then if we go below 52,500, really bearish, but I picked up 52,900 bearish and 55,000 bullish. We just went above 55. And let's go to the individual names. Now, day trading, swing trading, a little bit different. All right, Renate swung this short in the boot camp class. Yeah, this was a great short last night. Closing week below the 8 EMA and below this massive volume that was on this candle and this up thrust. Yeah, this was like the perfect swing short. Came down and hit our first target, the 15 EMA. But for a day trade, bullish above 24.20 and bear below 23.49. We've tested that a couple times, and yeah, that's a pretty key resistance right there. Next moving average is right here. That's going to be a good target. The 20 simple and the 20 exponential. Let's go to CAN. Bullish above 22.53 for a retracement trade. Okay, this is just for day trading. Right, that's our retracement trade. And bear below 21.50 to the downside for CAN. Bank of America. This is the biggie. Big Mama Prince, $37.39, 5 million. We are below it, but they have been playing around with that level. So we'll see where we close. So after the testimonies today, if we close weak, yeah, you got to go short if it closes weak. Absolutely. Bullish above 38 today for a day trade and bear below 37.25. We are there right now. Let's go to MRO. This has been a great short. Fantastic. Moving lower today. If you're not in it, bear below 10.40 coming up and bull above 11.06. Tilray. From the dark pool insides, the octopi pattern. Yeah, it's a bearish one, by the way. Right now, we are, yeah, and if you don't believe me, what do you think this looks like? This looks like an octopi. I know, crazy. But it does. Yep, it's an octopus with one eye right there. And it's a bearish. We are, it was a great swing last night on the short side. See, Christy loves it. I know. It's a bearish pattern. Great short last night. Volume increasing. Yep, we called this out in the boot camp. Bullish only above 23.75, but for a retracement trade. And when I say retrace, I mean retracing, back up to the 4 EMA resistance right there in the daily chart. Bearish below 23.49. All right. Excuse me. China. Large cap ETF FXI. This was also in the dark pool insights. Massive prints 48.33. So bullish above 47.20 just for a retracement trade. Bear below 46.80. Next one is Plug. Plug bullish above 38.75 for a little retracement trade to the 8 EMA and bearish below 38.25. Next up is Neo, bullish above 43.50 and bear below 41.80. Yeah, nice trade to the downside. Yeah, a lot less traffic. Tesla's an interesting trade today. Yeah, I kind of liked it with the pivot. So bullish above 680, bear below 59. There was a pivot just above that, so I wanted it to break below. And Oxy, oops, our last one, bullish above 28.06. I don't like the bullish above trade. That's why I went way high up. Bearish below 26.25. There's a lot of room to come down to this 50 simple moving average. We're below a lot of volume right now. So there you have it. Those are your whispers for March 23rd. Until next time, happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.